Question 6. A new phone costs £679. The value of the phone decreases at a rate of 4% per year. Work out the value of the phone at the end of 3 years. So this is compound interest, or rather in this case it's depreciation, because the phone is decreasing at a rate of 4%. And so we have a formula we can use for this. We've got the starting cost of the phone, which is 679. We multiply that by the multiplier. So each year this is falling by 4%, which means there is 96% of the product's full value remaining at the end of the year. And so the multiplier, to find 96%, we'd multiply by 0.96, and then that is going to occur 3 years, and so we raise that to the power 3. So you've got the starting cost multiplied by the multiplier to the power of the number of terms, in this case 3 years. So entering this onto your calculator, well, you get you 600.735 and so on. And so since we're talking money, we'll go to 2 decimal places, which is £600 and 74 pence.